Hello everybody. I want to show you this very special gift that I just received from Celia and Bernard Purdie. So I thought I would like to share this unboxing video because it's a very special gift. So let's see what's in it. I just opened the top of it so it's easier to see. And let's see here. It's well protected, a lot of protection here, and I think I'll just put it out here first. This one here is actually I know what this is. You might be able to guess what it is if you have seen Bernard's website. He is offering a special wine, the Shuffle wine, and I guess it is. Look here, the Shuffle. It's a special made wine from the Prince Michel winery. It's merlot and cabernet sauvignon, a blend. So I really look forward to taste this beautiful wine, and actually Celia and Bernard already told me that they would send me one, so I was a little prepared for that. But look here, this is the book about Bernard Purdie, the most recorded drummer in the world. Let the drums speak. I really look forward to read this book. The plan is that we are going to sell this book here in Denmark too. I heard a little about there should be some more inside here, so I'm very excited to hear. It should be some very special what do you call it, art with the bottle. A company in the US who press the bottle. Let us check out. It's very well packed. I believe Celia did this, and she's done a great job, I will say. Oh yes, look here. So be very careful. What they do, they take a bottle when you have emptied the bottle, and you have this beautiful art. I don't know if it's possible to see, but you still have the picture of Bernard, and on the back side Bernard Purdie has signed the bottle. Pretty cool. I'll put it on the table here. Very nice. And let's see here. This is another bottle from Bernard and Celia, and this one has the autograph from Bernard Purdie on it. What a cool gift to get. I want to show you, there is something here that I don't know what it's inside here. Let's see. Be very careful with this. I'll put away the knife again, and it's in a frame. It is this beautiful framed, and there's a special message on the back side. Very nice. Look here. Isn't it cool? Thank you, Celia and Bernard Purdie. Thank you very much. We hope to see you soon here in Denmark. so you can come and play your shuffle. See you!